Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make these oven roasted Brussels sprouts. So for this dish I used onions, salt, oil, nutmeg, chili flakes, and Brussels sprouts. Start with cleaning and cutting the Brussels sprouts. And cut the onions. The onions tend to burn in the oven quite quickly and I don't want that to happen, so I'm adding some oil to them separately. So here I'm adding the onions to the Brussels sprouts. Add some salt, chili flakes, and nutmeg. You can also get nutmeg powder if you want to. I'm also adding a bit more oil and mix it. Bake it in a preheated oven of 180 Celsius for about 30 minutes. And there you have your beautiful and butter soft delicious Brussels sprouts. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.